Hi everyone, Christian from MacDon. Here today to talk about some of our FD2 cutting components, commonly used parts, and some new parts for you today. All right, so we'll start off with our sickle section. So the FD2 series uses a unique section, so they are available in fine, coarse, and ultra coarse. The parts are all interchangeable, so if you've got fine and you'd like to try coarse or ultra coarse, they are a direct bolt-in replacement. Available in packs of 25 for your convenience. Along with that, we've also got hardware kits. So for replacing your guards and sections, at some point you're probably going to run across some damaged hardware. Along your cutter bar, you're going to find that there are different length bolts. So at the knife head, you have some long bolts, and then there's some medium sized bolts, and then there are the standard size bolts for your majority of your sickle sections. So you want to make sure that you've got a few of each when you're out there servicing your machine, available in packs of 25, so you get the nuts and the bolts in each pack. So small, medium, long. Okay, for those of you with double knife headers, we have some service packages for the center guard section. So there are some unique sections and hardware. So this pack gives you everything that you need to service the center knife section. So there are some sections in here that are countersunk on the top and the bottom. We also give you flush mount hardware. So if you're ever needing to service the guards in the center of your double knife, these kits will give you everything that you need. Also available in both fine, coarse, and ultra coarse. All right, the next thing we're going to talk about is our different collection of guards. So you've got your standard pointed guard. You'll find that on the majority of headers out there. That's sort of your good balance of rock protection and good cut quality. We also have our plug-free short guards. So these are like a traditional stub guard, but they do offer a little bit more protection. So you'll find these on certain models of combine headers and windrower headers. These give you some of the best cut quality available, but still offer a little bit of protection for cutting on the ground with rocks. Next, we've got a couple of new parts here. MacDon now offers a 4-point guard for the 2 series header. So once again, universal fit for both the D2 and the FD2. What's nice about the 4-point guard is you've got an additional tip for cutting against. So what that means is less crop movement as the sickle slides back and forth. That can lead to a little bit less shatter. And it also offers you some additional rock protection. So with my rock simulator here, you can see this is almost the perfect size to get stuck between the guard tips. So this size or maybe a little bit larger in here, instant broken section or stalled knife. Now with the 4-point guard, you can see that that guard is there enough that it keeps this away from the cutting components. Moving on to our next one. Now this is brand new for this year. This is what's referred to as the grass seed plug-free guard. Now what this is it is a shorter version of our standard plug-free guard. So if you hold them up side by side, you can actually see that the grass seed one is about 1/4 of an inch shorter. What that's there for is it now gives you the maximum cut. Your knife blade extends past the guard. So if we look at the difference between here, you can see how the tip is exposed. Here, the tip is actually recessed below the actual tip of the sickle section. That doesn't mean that it's only usable for a grass seed application. You can use this anywhere that you would want to use the plug-free short guard. The only thing to remember is because it is shorter, it offers little to no protection at the tip of your sickle section. So once again, if you do have a lot of rocks and you're cutting on the ground, you will have some shortened longevity of your sickle sections. But again, if you're looking for the best, closest shave, this may be the solution for you. Pick up one of these handy MacDon parts guides. So the 2025 parts guide, you can pick this one up at your dealer or you can download it from MacDon.com. Inside of it, you're going to find a whole host of different parts and accessories combinations and stuff like that. So this covers your 2 series. So if you're looking for part numbers, you can tell your parts guy, hey, I want this particular part. So we list all of the common parts. There's your double knife overlap sections, all of your different guards, both pointed and plug free. They're all listed there. Same thing with the new short grass seed guards, and as well as the new 4-pointed guards. There's a whole bunch of information in here. There's also a lot of update kits and stuff like that. Customer convenience kits, or we give you some information on what might be the best condition for helping you choose whether you want to use a fine, coarse, or ultra coarse. Additional kits that are available. So we've got conversion kits to go from 5-bat to 6-bat or 9-bat if you're interested in that. Update kits for the 70s and 75s if you want to put some of the newer components that are a little bit more durable that are featured on the FD1. A lot of these are backwards compatible. Gearbox upgrade kits to go from the old steel stamped ones to the new aluminum style for better durability and longevity. So there you have it, 2025 Performance Parts Guide. Pick one up at your local dealer or download one from MacDon.com under Owner Resources. So if you're looking for some MacDon products, check out the Gear Shop, where you can find things like belt buckles, socks, t-shirts, more t-shirts. Did I mention t-shirts? Hats, lots of hats, all available at the MacDon Gear Shop.